I spent the last month fixing my abandoned Porsche Cayenne GTS. Even if I don't have any experience with renovating cars from before, it's been my dream to learn. In the end, I want to afford my dream car, a Porsche GT3. It's an insane long way to get there, but I will at least try. I bought this car from Germany and it has been abandoned for several years, which was fortunate for me because that meant I bought it very cheap. Only 5,500 euros for this once luxury SUV with 405 horsepower and all options you can imagine. Electric back door, panoramic ceiling, air suspension, sport exhaust and so on. Now I'm going to fix my sport exhaust on this Porsche Cayenne GTS. If you've seen the latest videos, you know that I found a problem with the flaps in the sport exhaust. Those are supposed to open and close when I press the sport button. They are not. On the left side it's loose, but it's closed. And on the right side it's always open. So I bought this one. A valve that will open and close depending on air pressure. The problem is that the ones that are on this car are mounted to the muffler, the exhaust muffler, and are not a separate part. I've got a tip to buy one of those and try it out. So I will remove the muffler, see if this fits, and that will be a real challenge. But let's see how it goes. I hope it fits and we can make it work. To be sure, I just bought one of these to try out first. I think actually first thing would be to try out if the air pressure makes it open and closing. And then we can see if we can fit it on the exhaust.
I stumble and I can't get up, fall into the song. This time I think I had enough. I'm drowning in doubt. Lights fading but I'm holding on. I can't escape the fall this time. It's enough.
Turned out that it works. So exciting. Now I know that there's pressure in the system and the valves are working with the current system too. Now we need to know if they fit the exhaust. That's the problem.
Yeah, it's a piece of cake. The silence reaching out, feel free. No, my chains are holding me. I found my way, I'm moving on. You're just a ghost and I'm already gone. I'm pushing back.
Okay, so this was a bit trickier than I expected. Apparently there's a lot of exhaust I need to remove. It's welded throughout the back and it's more in the front that we have some more clamps to remove and get rid of the exhaust. So I need to high end the car and try to take it off somehow.
Why'd you even call me up when I never wanna see ya? I'm just on my way back home, little drunk and alone, but I'd rather kick ya. Even though it's Friday night and I got no plans tomorrow, I could use a bam bam bam, but it's not from you, cause I'm not that hollow. Baby, let it be. You could try to sweet talk all you want, but I ain't that lonely. Baby, let it be. Forget your rules, forget your shoes. I've
The exhaust is hanging in 3 of these underneath the car. Then there's 2 more in the back for the muffler. There's not any chance to remove it from the rubber, so just screw off the whole thing is my tip.
Talk all you want, but I ain't that lonely. Baby, let it be, let it be. Forget your lies, forget your ties. I've done everything you asked, but I wasted time. Forget your hair, your dead eyes stare. I swear anything's better than you.
Probably good to have something underneath here when you screwed off 3 of these. Now it's the muffler left.
What a wasted time. Should have been here on the outside, read the signs. Used to call you mine. Gave it my best, but I don't need one more try. 'Cause, baby, I'm all out of hope. Could I find it when I go? Think we're only here to stay alive now. Funny, we ran out of kicks. Now you only make me sick. Think we're only here to stay alive now. 'Cause I know what a waste, what a crime, what a fucked up time, and I should go. So I take what I can and I toss it in the car. Drive away down the highway, I can't stay. 'Cause I know that all I know, it's time to go. It's time to go. You can pass the blame. Say what you want, you got nothing on me. We won't be the same. Don't you call me up, 'cause we badly need this change. Maybe I'm all out of hope. Could I find it when I go? Think we're only here to stay alive.
Oh, it's super heavy. Heavier than I thought. Need to have something underneath. So just this last bolt left, and then I hope it's off.
Time and I should go. So I take what I can and I toss it in the car. Drive away down the highway, I can't stay.
Bolts are off, and I think it's just hanging on this cardboard thingy. So let's see if we can take it down. Okay, maybe not. Is there any other place? No. Ah, it must be loose. It's just this one. Whoa. Yes, it's loose. How heavy is this actually? I don't have a clue. Whoa, shit. Ah, okay, pretty heavy. Lucky I wasn't underneath that one. Here you can see it a bit easier. It's 2 pipes connected to the muffler, and the valve is on one of these. And this is the left side where it's loose. So it seems like it's just totally broken. On the right side it looks a bit different. It's still the same problem though, that I need to cut the valve off and add a new one. Now I can easily compare the valve to the pipe and see if it would fit. It's way too wide. It's very obvious that these are too big, or this one. Good that I only bought one to start with. So I need to find new ones that fits, and the old ones can't just be removed. I need to cut them off somehow and add a new one to it. And remember, this is the first time I'm doing all of this. Never done anything to cars before. Never done YouTube. So if you want to see what happens in the next episode where I try to fix this sport exhaust, don't forget to subscribe and see you next time. It's also so hot in here. Like, I don't know, 30 degrees or something.